Alright, I'm getting ready to install these stickers. I'm going to clean it down with some alcohol. I already cleaned this area with some soapy water and rinsed it off. Same thing on the other side. Alright, I got just half of it peeled off so I can get it lined up before I take it fully off. I got the top lined up here on the body line. Just gonna go ahead and pull the bottom off. Alright, let's see how we did. Alright guys, if you're real good at installing stickers, you might not have this issue, but I got air bubbles in here. So what I'm going to do is take a safety pin, poke a little hole, and try to squeeze out these air bubbles. Alright guys, after getting some of the air bubbles out, it looks better. Some of the big bubbles just became small bubbles. I wouldn't recommend buying this product. I wouldn't buy it again. It's pretty expensive for what it is. It's $180. It is pretty nice thick vinyl here, but the problem is it has no air release in it. So when you install it, it just gives you troubles. Other than that, it does look pretty good. It's black on black, so I know it's kind of hard to see. Here's a look at this side. Air bubbles. I'm gonna do some more work trying to get those out of there, but just keep in mind it's a pain a little bit. I went with black on black because I wanted to hardly notice this really. There it is. If you guys like this, you can buy this part on the GM website.